So these are 5 things you should never ever do on your 4C hair to prioritize hair growth from a certified hair coach and your favorite hair coach. So number 1 on the list, never ever ever detangle dry hair. Yes, I know you heard this like a million times, but yes, it's the truth. Anything that is dry is prone to break. So don't detangle your hair dry, especially 4C hair or whatever hair type you have. Don't detangle it dry if you don't want to see bits of your hair on the floor. So when next you want to detangle your hair, when next you want a comb to go through your hair, spray water and apply leave-in conditioner. Then you can seal that up with oil. Then you can detangle from the tip to the root of your hair. Keep that in mind. 2, ensure that you take care of your scalp. Your scalp is basically where growth comes from. So you need your scalp to be clean. You need it to be healthy. So ensure you eat well. Ensure that you wash your scalp regularly, and ensure that you don't use anything that would alter the health of your scalp, because that's where the growth comes from, right? Number 3, try as much as possible not to use harsh chemicals on your hair. So check the products that you're using, check the ingredients in depth, analyze the ingredients, browse on the ingredients, check that it is safe for your hair. All these products that have too much sulfate in it could be damaging to your hair. It could be damaging to your hair. So anything that is harsh for your hair, your scalp, whatever it is, ditch it, throw it away. You don't need it, right? Number 4, ensure that you protect your ends. When I mean protect your ends, I mean you need to tuck your ends in. Either you pack your hair with a silk ribbon and put your ends like this, something like this. Ensure that your ends don't come in contact with your shoulder or your cloth. It will cause friction and lead to hair breakage. Number 5, ensure that you use the right product for your hair. Healthy hair starts with the right products. Healthy hair can actually depend on the kind of product you use for your hair, ranging from your leave-in conditioner to your deep conditioner to your protein treatment and all of that. Ensure that those are like the right products for you, and products differ from person to person. What might work for you might not work for me. What might work for me might not work for you. So ensure that you use the right product, and don't forget to incorporate DIY products too. They are actually safer, right? You can, go ahead to do your rosemary oil, go ahead to do your hair butters, go ahead to, use like different products that are from natural source and will be way beneficial for your hair. Don't forget. So if you can put all of this into cognizance and try not to use harsh chemicals on your hair, try not to use too much heat on your hair, try not to do a lot of things that will be detrimental to the health of your hair, you're good to go, my dear. So yeah, I have my ebook where you can learn way more things than this. The link is in the description box. Ensure you click it and get yours today. I'm your favorite hair coach, and I'll see you in my next. Oh, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.